Indian cooking can be more healthier with these simple tips. How? Keep the rawness. Stay away from overcooking or boiling or frying everything. We can add grated vegetables on top as garnish along with coriander, such as carrot, beet or beetroot, coconut, and finely chopped spinach. Steam the vegetables and eat. Corn, sweet potato, peas, peanuts, all these can be boiled and eaten. They taste really good when you just boil and eat or steam and eat. I recently discovered that not everything requires salt or sugar to make it taste good. Start with reduced salt for a few weeks and then gradually avoid salt and sugar or spices. You can taste the real taste of each vegetable. Try this, try these tips, and you will see that you get more healthier with these tips.